I remember my childhood home like it was yesterday. The creaks of the old furniture, the smell of hope in the air. It's a world away from where I am now, but it's always with me. We didn't have much, but we had each other. And that was everything.
Mama, why do you pray so much?
Because prayer gives us strength, my child. It's our true wealth.
I didn't understand then, but now I see. Those words shaped my entire life.
Papa, when will we get new furniture?
One day, child. For now, we make do with what we have, and we're grateful for it.
My father's hands told a story of hard work and sacrifice. His words taught me the value of gratitude. Every night, I'd fall asleep to the sound of Mama's prayers. Her voice, soft but unwavering.
Lord, give us strength for another day. Bless our family, keep us together.
Those prayers were our true possessions, more valuable than any material wealth. I remember the calendar on the wall, its pages rarely turned. Time seemed to stand still in our little home, each day blending into the next.
Mama, why don't we have nice things like the neighbors?
We have something better, my love. We have faith in each other.
The old lamp cast long shadows, but they never seemed ominous. They were comforting, somehow. The way Papa's eyes would light up when he told us stories, despite his exhaustion from work.
We may not have riches, but we have stories. And stories, they feed the soul, my boy. Remember that.
Mama's hands always moving, mending, cooking, comforting, praying.
Our home may be simple, but it's filled with love. That's what matters.
The resilience I saw in them, it became a part of me, shaping who I would become. Now, in my own home, surrounded by comfort, I find myself looking back. The contrast is stark. Soft cushions instead of lumpy springs, smooth walls instead of peeling paint. But something feels missing. That intangible warmth that filled our old home. I realize now that the true wealth was never in things. It was in the spirit of my parents, in their unwavering faith, in the love that filled our humble abode, in the lessons learned through hardship. I am who I am because of those years, because of the strength forged